how to run ads on multiple accounts here in DirectAds. So let's get started. You usually use this feature when scaling up, so you want to diversify your campaign. You'll be running ads on more than one account. So I'll show you how to do it here within the platform. Click here, select the ad, and it's very simple. Just choose which account you want to use. It's that simple. 1, 2, 3, as many as you need. Okay, so I've selected 2 here. In this example, let's click next here. And one important point is regarding the pixel. Sometimes the pixel isn't shared with that account, so you'll want to share the pixel or select a different one. You'll see there's a separate field for each ad account, the pixel itself. So down here, you can already click next. I'll go back up there. Same thing. You can't create a URL per account yet. It's not possible yet, but it will be soon. And maybe by the time you're watching this video, it's already been updated, okay? So you'll be able to upload a URL per account there, and it'll be much easier, but generally there's no problem. So upload it there or go back here. Oh, cool. You can, everything here is fine. So yeah, better to have 1 or like 2 campaigns, 51. Let's move on. It stays. Did you notice it already loaded the pages? Keep the preview, create new campaign. Let's go. You guys already know on both accounts at the same time. Obviously, I'm not showing that the ad manager is working because it's running. For example, I was recording something else here, and there was an error about an account being deactivated at the time, meaning on the wrong account. So mistakes happen. But here, everything's going smoothly. Okay. If the account is deactivated, there's nothing to be done. The account is loading. So it's already loaded the total of 2 out of 4 campaigns. It's already finishing in less than 40 seconds. Just wait. We saw that this is uploading to 2 accounts. And most importantly, I want to show this here. This account here uploaded in 11 minutes and 5 seconds, and this account also uploaded in 14 minutes and 10 seconds. So you'll have to upload to 2 accounts, and it can be for 1, 2, 3, or 10 accounts. You can run campaigns perfectly with DirectAds, 100% success rate. Cool?